Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to our presentation of home security systems installed. Get your home security today. Best prices. Don't be a victim of criminals. Your safety is more important than a few dollars per month in home security. We have advanced technology and the best home security systems on the market. Get it installed today. Protecting your home, family, assets, and personal belongings. Get the best home security systems with the best monitoring. Don't put a price on your safety. Get protected today. Call today 877-836-3024. Also, there is a device that will capture some images on your, it's called the Ring. It also comes with an app. That app is attached to your smartphone and you can see what's going on outside. But just imagine you come home or you're in the top bedrooms here or you're down below and you see this image out in front of your home. What would you do? With the home security system, you have a key panel with a panic button that you can press, and a security company will come out or dispatch your local authorities to help you stay safe. But also, you have advanced technology that you can control from outside of your home that's attached to your smartphone. So if you're looking for the best home security system, the phone number for that home security system or can even get a quote, it's 877-836-3024. Call today, find out how and when you can get your home security system installed. But also you can also get quotes of what it will cost for your home being protected. What is the cost of safety for you? Protect you, yourself, loved ones, personal belongings, and assets. In the description box below, there is a link. That link will take you to this page. Then also you can call this number to get additional information. All right, thank you for tuning into our presentation of home security systems. Some of the home security systems that are out there is SimpliSafe, ADT, Vivint, to name a few. All right, thank you very much. Have a great day.